Okay, good morning guys. Today I'm gonna cook or fry some luncheon meat tempura. I'm gonna make a luncheon meat tempura. Okay, so these are all the ingredients. We need 1 large egg, 1 cup all-purpose flour. I sifted it already, and then 1 cup water, and then ice cubes for chilling the water. But we don't need to put the ice cube on the water, so we just get 1 cup. Okay, 1 cup. That one. And then we gonna, and this is the luncheon meat, and then the egg. Hangtod ma-incorporated si ang egg sa egg white o ang egg yolk, guys. And then add the water. So we're gonna add this all. Sifted flour in the egg mixture. Dip this one here. Okay, like that. And dip on the flour. And then breadcrumbs. Okay, done. Okay, we're gonna fry it. Okay, this is the first batch. Guys, this is the first batch. Okay. Okay guys, so this is our luncheon meat tempura. It's done. This is the last batch. Okay. Our luncheon meat tempura is done. So it's tasting time. So I'm gonna test it, and you can make what kind of sauce do you want. Okay, so I use vinegar, a little soy sauce, a garlic, a little sugar. Okay, test. It's yummy. It's crunchy. This one. It's crunchy, guys. Guys, so that's our luncheon meat tempura. Okay, so thank you for watching, and will you please hit like, follow, share, subscribe to my YouTube channel D Bruja, to my Instagram D_bro_ja, and to my TikTok at The Cooking Show, and to my Facebook page The Cooking Show, and to my personal blog Delia Valentine. To all my supporters and non-supporters, thank you for watching.